If you've signed up for my free Notion starter pack, you'll know that this client portal template comes as part of it. And I just received a great question asking how to grant access to clients. So assuming you've got it all set up, how do you share it with a client so that they can access it? And there's two ways you can do this. The option you pick is dependent on whether the client has a Notion account or whether they're willing to sign up for one. Assuming that answer is yes, you're going to come to the top right hand corner here, click share, and where it says add emails or people, you're going to click in and you're just going to type in their email address. So I'm just going to type in a mock one for now. And then you can select the person here and you can choose their access level. So full access, they have access to everything. They can edit this, they can share it with other people. I don't have to tell you, I'd use a little bit of caution when using this method, especially if they're not familiar with Notion, because if they break anything, you're going to have to go in and fix it. There's also the option to edit but not share with others. This requires a pro plan. I think it's about $4. There's a link in the description if you want to learn more about that. There is an option to comment and there's an option to view only. So I usually pick comment, but you can choose the option that's right for you. And then you can write a little message that will be sent to them via email. And here you can choose whether you share the page only or you invite them to the entire workspace. Now, most times I just need to invite them to the page. I'd recommend this option here. Click invite, and that's going to send them an email and they can accept it. And once they have accepted it, this page is going to appear in their Notion account. Now, the great thing about that is you'll be able to mention them, tag them, you can keep up with things, send them reminders, and they will get the notification on their end because they have a Notion account. Particularly helpful if they have the Notion app as well. Now, assuming they don't have a Notion account and they're not going to sign up for one, the other option you have is to come back up, click share, but this time you're going to share to web. And under show link options, you're going to select either editing or comments only. So again, you choose which option you're comfortable with, and you're just going to grab this link and you're going to send this to the client. And at any point in time, they will be able to access it and they will be able to either just comment and edit depending on how you have your client portal set up and what you want them to be able to add or upload to the space. Now, this is great. If they're not comfortable with Notion, it's very seamless to use, but the one downside is they aren't going to get those notifications, so it might mean doing a little bit more work through email. So choose the option that is right for you. I hope that's answered your question. If you have any more, leave them in the comments below, or if you're signed up to my email list, just hit reply on anyone and I'll be right there to help in any way that I can.